Hello Tom, welcome. How are you today?
Hello Kate, thanks. Nice to meet you. I am fine. What are we presenting today?
Great. Today, we are officially releasing our new ways of learning digital content. We at Search Squids has taught of building standard processes and procedures someone can use in order to perform a particular activity or task. Are you ready? Let us start.
That sounds great. Tell me more. How do we access?
Simple. Take your computer or phone. Then rush over to Google and type www.searchsquids.com on the address bar. Once the site's open, click on the menu course. Then select the course Create Your Six Figures Facebook Ads Agency in 14 days using our SOP. Use the promo code WELCOME 50% off at checkout.
Thanks for the information. Do I need to pay for a subscription? What else do we have on the site?
No. Payment for Facebook SOP if once and for all. You can navigate the site and discover more features. We host live sessions on many topics and we also sell handy jobs and practical ebooks. Take time to check our site and contact the support team in case of need.
Thanks for the information, Kate. Have a nice day.